here. And again, if you paid any attention to Team Roman World, Sam Bird is a name you have heard many times. He pulled a great check out of the Bob Pius here a number of years ago. The man that get it done. On the heel side, Billy LaMere. They are 29, and we are 16 seconds from money. Big time run right here. You are going to be huge, gentlemen. 8.81. 8.81, we got some heat now. 38.19. You go to the front of the pack. Let's take a look at one of our very good friends right here, Mr. Mike Sacker. On the heels, Heath Myers. Get it on, boys. Oh, Heath Myers dropped his smoke on the backswing. No time. Ouch, no time. Let's go to the second high team. Tony Stahl and Levi Brenton. Stahl and Brenton are 26.88 on 3 steers. Now, an 11-second run is going to guarantee you over $3,600. So, gentlemen, this is the business portion of your day. Make it happen right here. No time. It is not going to happen, but guess who we've got right now? It is my very favorite podcast. Sheila O'Connor, Jeff Coral. They're 24 seconds on 4-3. 13 seconds stand between us and 5,300 plus. Great start. It is